Just a little update on the aquarium. Got it filled with RDI water right now. Let's see, take the LED out. Just a regular T5. Alright, so you can see all the debris in here. All this is coming out, getting ready for saltwater. Alright, here's my two supplies and my overflow. Comes down through this box into my overflow. And then back up to the supply. Basically it comes down, main overflow, into a sock, filter sock I'll have here. And then this section be for the skimmer. And it'll overflow into this section, which will all be refugium, then a bubble trap. You see I was catching the bubbles down here, not allowing it to go back into the tank on the other side. And I'm gonna put the filter media in here. And right here, gonna take a filter floss. Overflows into the chamber, back up to the check valve, to the supply. And I got the hand valve here to make a quieter operation here. You just twist the hand valve. It'll make this level fill. And you want to be right about the top of the pipe there. And if it goes over, it'll come down this pipe. Come down the secondary drain, or the safety drain, so this doesn't overfill and flood my house. Key is getting this as quiet as you can get, which is pretty quiet. And then you shut these. And the filter sock will make that quieter. So all in all, I think it's doing okay. I'm only at 65% of the motor. The motor's a little big for this 40-gallon breeder. Drop it down to 60%. DC voltage motor here. And that's for my heater. This here's for my power head. Got that right here. Yeah, little power head. Magnetics on the other side. This is my bubble magnets. It's supposed to be a really good skimmer. So we'll see. Basically a leak check right now. Making sure nothing's gonna leak, so test it with fresh water. And once I get this dialed in correctly, see if this overflows. If this overflows, it'll come down this drain. See? If it ever gets too high, I don't want it to get that high. You see the little siphon? You open it up, the water level comes back down on this side of the pipe. That's about right where I want it, right there. See how? That's what I want. Nice and quiet. It's about what I want there. Now, will it stay? No. So basically I want to dial it in to where I'm getting this coming out of this pipe. So this is quiet. And the higher I raise this, the quieter this will be. That's what I want. Exactly what I want there. Now, I think it's ready for salt water. What you think? They gave me this piece that came with the box, but it was too short. So I just added a coupling to it. Works out just fine. What up, Duck? And I think I'm ready for salt water. And I got this little switch. And it just shuts off everything. And I gotta drill through the side here for this plug for the light. And it'll basically drain out now. So if the power ever shuts off, this is a 20-gallon high. Water level is about right here. So when the tank drains, this will never overflow. Looks like I got another 4 or 5 gallons before this would overflow. I think it's coming together. And the box is empty now, so. All right, Doug. And I got this overflow box too. It's about 5 gallons. And basically I'm gonna fill this with fresh water. I stopped to get a sheet set for this bed I put in here. Fill this with, it's an acrylic box. Fill this with RODI water, fresh water. And then this hose will go right to here, over to this float. And basically this float will be in here. And when the float rises to the level, it'll shut off. But whenever I lose a lot of water in here, which it evaporates, it'll drop down and it'll fill out of that box. Basically making it maintenance free. Come on, Duck. So, pretty much it's ready for salt water. Come on, duck. Picked this up from CTE down in Cockeysville. This is my base rock for coral. Got my biosprayer, my bacteria starter, and this is my refractometer, Milwaukee digital, and this is live sand in there, Caribbean Sea. Yeah, it's just a little bit of stuff everywhere. There's gonna be another tank right here. It's out, I still gotta drill it yet. There's gonna be another saltwater tank here. And then these is my freshwater tank. Got 2 jacked MCs, a couple African cichlids. This guy's pretty. Didn't turn out bad down here. Remodel looked alright. I need a couple more helmets here too. Finish my collection. Little mini speed helmets. That's my Hooch TV. And the wife put up a little raven Christmas tree. Bunch of raven ornaments. You wanna go upstairs, buddy? Come on. Alright. Just letting everybody see an update. I'm actually building a saltwater mixing station as well. I'll show updates on that once I get that finished.